Monster Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we review Monster, one of the oldest and most well-known online job platforms. If you're looking for a job or hiring talent, Monster provides a range of tools to streamline the process. I've included links to the platform in the description, so be sure to check them out. Monster is designed for both job seekers and employers, offering an extensive job search database, resume building tools, and recruitment solutions. Job seekers can create a profile, upload a resume, and apply for jobs directly through the platform. One standout feature is Monster's resume matching technology, which helps connect job seekers with relevant job openings based on their skills and experience. Additionally, job alerts keep users updated on new opportunities that fit their preferences. For employers, Monster provides a variety of recruiting tools, including job posting services, candidate search filters, and AI-driven resume screening. The platform also offers paid job promotion options, ensuring listings reach a larger audience. Employers can access candidate profiles, invite potential hires to apply, and leverage Monster's data-driven insights to optimize recruitment strategies. One of Monster's strengths is its user-friendly interface, making it easy to search and apply for jobs. The platform also offers career advice, interview tips, and salary comparison tools, helping job seekers make informed career decisions. However, one downside is that Monster's job database can sometimes feel outdated compared to competitors like LinkedIn or Indeed, as some listings may remain active even after positions are filled. Additionally, while Monster offers a free job search, some premium features, like advanced resume visibility and enhanced applications, require a paid subscription. Despite these minor drawbacks, Monster remains a solid choice for both job seekers and employers, especially those looking for an easy-to-use platform with resume matching capabilities. Whether you're actively job hunting or recruiting, Monster can be a valuable tool. Check out the links in the description and explore Monster today.